Smart Kids TV presents Fun Facts, the Ocean. Hey everyone! You think you know the ocean? Blue, wet, full of fish? Get ready, because I'm about to show you how our planet's deepest, darkest corners make science fiction look boring. We call it the blue ocean, but that's a lie. Pure seawater is clear. So why blue? The water absorbs red and yellow light, but rejects blue, scattering it back at us. It's literally showing us the color it doesn't want. And this creates a terrifying advantage in the deep. But here's the twist. This has a terrifying effect in the deep sea. Below 200 meters, red light doesn't exist. It's a world of perpetual blue and black. So, some animals have evolved to use this to their advantage. Down there, red light doesn't exist. So animals like the stoplight loose-jaw dragonfish hunt with an invisible beam of red bioluminescence. To any other creature, this light is invisible, like a sniper using an infrared laser. But to the dragonfish, its prey is lit up in a ghostly red glow, completely unaware they're in the crosshairs. The ocean's very color is a tool for deception and hunting. It's like a sniper with an infrared laser, lighting up its prey while remaining completely unseen. Speaking of sci-fi, let's talk about the closest thing to immortality on Earth. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. When it gets old or stressed, it just hits Control-Z, reverts to its baby stage, and starts life all over again. This tiny jellyfish has a party trick that would make any superhero jealous. When it faces stress, injury, or just gets old, it doesn't die. It transforms. It literally reverses its aging process, shrinking its body, reabsorbing its tentacles, and settling back onto the seafloor as a tiny polyp, its infant stage. Then, it starts its life cycle all over again. In theory, this can happen forever, making it biologically immortal. It's the ultimate undo button for life. Now, let's talk about communication. We use words, but in the ocean, they use skin. Cuttlefish and octopuses are the masters of this. Their skin is a high-definition video screen made of millions of color-changing cells called chromatophores. But why are they doing this? It's not just for camouflage. Scientists believe they are having complex conversations right in front of us, and we're only just beginning to decode it. A male cuttlefish might show a tough, aggressive pattern on one side of his body to scare off a rival male, while simultaneously showing a soft, calm, and loving pattern to the female on his other side. He's literally having two conversations at once. It's the most sophisticated visual language on the planet, and we're only seeing the tip of the iceberg. We often see whales as gentle giants, but they are actually the farmers of the ocean. This is the story of the whale pump. Whales feed in the deep, on tiny creatures rich in iron and nitrogen. Then, they swim to the surface to breathe and, well, poop. This whale poop is an incredibly rich liquid fertilizer. It floats on the surface, releasing nutrients that feed phytoplankton, tiny plant-like organisms. Phytoplankton are not only the base of the marine food web, they also produce over half of the world's oxygen. So, every time you take a breath, you have a whale's bathroom break to thank for part of it. Whales are essentially giant, migrating, nutrient recycling machines that help keep our entire planet alive. Time for something truly chilling, literally. In the freezing waters of the Arctic and Antarctic, a deadly and beautiful phenomenon occurs: the brinacle, or ice finger of death. Here's how it works. Super salty, super cold brine is expelled from sea ice on the surface. This brine is so dense and cold that it doesn't mix with the surrounding water. Instead, it sinks towards the seafloor in a descending tube of ice. As it touches the warmer water, It freezes it instantly. This icy finger slowly extends downward, and when it reaches the seafloor, it freezes everything in its path. Sea stars, urchins, anything too slow to move, in a frozen, icy tomb. It's one of the most surreal and deadly natural events on Earth. So let's recap. We have an ocean that lies about its color, an immortal jellyfish, cephalopods that communicate with living skin, whales that fertilize the world, and deadly fingers of ice. This isn't a fantasy novel. This is our planet, right now. It shows us that we know less about our own ocean's depths than we do about the surface of Mars. And every single one of these bizarre facts is interconnected, playing a vital role in the health of our world. The ocean is full of millions more secrets waiting to be discovered, and it needs our help to stay that way. If you want to help protect these amazing creatures and their habitats, consider supporting ocean conservation charities or just spreading the word. The adventure doesn't have to end here. If you learned something new today, do me a huge favor and smash that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the weird and wonderful. Tell me in the comments which fact blew your mind the most. Until next time, keep exploring. See you in the next one. Smart Kids TV.